Hi everyone, today I wanted to bring to you my July Kill a Kit with Style. I put 3 kits together, 2 Scraptastics and 1 Studio Calico. I merged the 3 of them together for a kit for July. Then I went through some of my scrap paper, and I put them with the different papers. So I have mini page kits now. So basically, this is the first one, and this is a Scraptastic Club paper. Food Family Story, Summer Fun Line, and then I paired that with a boardwalk. And then this is the other side. I think the way that I'm going to do these is like this. So there's that one. This stuff is paper that's left over from my June kit, To Kill a Kit. So I added that in with this. And this is one little bird for Studio Calico. And then this is Sun Printing. This is kind of a summer kit. Pink Fresh Studio, Life Noted, I think that's the Pascal. That's the name. Then this one, I really like this paper. This was cool paper. Hopefully I'm in the screen there. This is a Pink Fresh Felicity. Thinking maybe I'll do some stitching. 2 pictures. So that's what I thought of when I first seen that. Some cut up parts, but I'm going to use this side and back it with this yellow. And this came with my Studio Calico kits, the plain paper. This was also, I put in my June Kill a Kit. I did not use it. And I paired these 3 together. So, plain paper, Studio Calico, and I can't even pronounce it. Gladiolus, Studio Calico, and I will probably use the stripe side along with the white and the blue. This just piece of craft paper I put with scraps that were left over from my June Kill a Kit. This also came with the Studio Calico. I have plans to do a 1-picture layout. This is Sunny Days, LA Studio, Soak Up the Sun. A few little scraps I'm going to try and get rid of. It says Popsicle, Flip-Flops, Best Day Ever, Heat Wave. Having a heat wave here today, 95 degrees. Whew. I love the little sunglasses down at the bottom, the border strip. I'm going to pair that with the Flip-Flops. So, and the Flip-Flops is Scraptastic Club. Food Family Story, Beach Bum. Okay, that. This is from my very first Secret Not Secret kit. I haven't used it. I was going to make tags out of it, so I threw it in here that maybe we could do something with some of the tags. This reminds me of the sunshine. I paired it with this. Let's see. Summer Daydreams, Photo Play, hashtag Think to Remember. The other side is just a teal stripe. And this one is Food Family Story, Go Green, and this is also Scraptastic. I love both sides of this, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with that. Alright, goes with that. This one, Sunny Days, Adventure, LA Studio. Once again, love both sides of that. I probably will go with this side. And I'm going to pair it with Studio Calico Honeycomb. And either or works for that. So those 2 are pretty versatile. Use either of those. This one, got lots of scraps on this one. Let's just slide them off here. This is Pink Paisley, number 11. I don't know how, it's Paige Evans. I don't know how you tell what the kit is or what the line is. Yep, I'm not sure on that. So we have both sides on that. And I'm going to pair that with this yellow piece of paper, which is pink paisley as well. And this is page oven number 5. And I'll most likely use this side. Then we have One Little Bird, which I believe is Studio Calico. Yeah, by Studio Calico. And more of this. And I paired this, yeah, with Life is Beautiful. I really like this paper. I like everything about this paper. This is Summer Picnic Fancy Pants design. There's this side. I will most likely use the plaid side. I made this for, I think, the February Secret Not Secret Kit Club. There was a challenge to paint, use mixed media. I did this. I really like it, but I haven't used it on anything, so I thought I'd throw that in here too, see if I could try and use that up. This paper is Safety Net Studio Calico. I really like this pink. It's a little darker. And then we have the safety pins. But I think I'm going to use that side. And this is a pink paisley, number 4. And once again, I like both sides of this too. But I think I have it slotted to use this side. But who knows? I could always change my mind. These remind me of little macaroons. This is Studio Calico. Adventure Time. Paired that with that. And this one is Pink Paisley. Paige Evans, number 10. So I think I'm going to use these two together, this side up. Okay. And then this is a lot of scraps. This is left over from my kit as well. I did not use it. It's your day. And then cut apart. This came with my Case of the Block kit. I really like it a lot, and I just keep saying, oh, I'm not going to cut into it. I'm not going to cut into it. But sooner or later, I'm going to have to. So, and I put those 3 together. And this one is Scraptastic Club. Crossed lines. I'm going to use this side with some gold. And this is Simple Stories, Sunshine and Happiness. And then the yellow on the other side, or the orange. I like the orange. Picks up the faint orange in here. Then I think these are just, yeah, these are just color sheets that I may use, I may not use. And in those kits also came a bunch of stickers, which I put in this little basket here. But this is like Scraptastic. Got some letters, some buttons, or round stickers, I should say. Some more letters, little round acetates, word acetates, some paper words, little paper pack of ephemera. I got some stamps. Let's see, Wander, Love Post, little postage stamp, little world, some enamel dots. They're like chipboard. So I have, these are letters, different colors. I know I will, there's no way I'm going to use all of this, but I figured I would put it with the kits and then use as much as I can, then I'll put it back into my stash. These are some frames, some more words, acetates, and then I got a stencil, LA Studio, Sunny Day, ephemera, more stickers, more letters, and then I think there's acetate, or more stencils, and there's flares, and what is the word I'm looking for? Not acetate, acrylics in these bags. And the Studio Calico is the kits from August of 2017. And then one of the Scraptastics was from June 23rd, 2016. I mean, that's crazy. And the other one that I did not have the receipt with it, so I'm not sure what the date was on that. The Scraptastic kit was called Wipeout. I don't know if this has a name. Let's Go. It's a Studio Calico one. So hopefully I can put a big dent in this. I think I did pretty good with my July kit. So I'm excited to start July with a brand new kit. So hope you enjoyed my video and have a great day. Bye-bye.